Hey, what's up guys, it's Burgos here, and in this video I'm going to test Questa and see how good she is in the arena, because a lot of people actually say, hey bro, this is very good hero for the arena. So first of all, I'm going to make a short overview over this hero, and the first thing that actually catch my eye for Questa, and this is her captain. This is attack aura increase all allies attack by 30% in Grand Gladiator Arena battles. This is very important. Captain, 30% is a lot of damage. This is if you do, for example, 1000 damage, you're going to do 300 extra. This is very important and very nice, captain. And just by this aura is like on halfway in my team. Just because of this aura, very important. Now the other thing that this hero actually have, and I think is pretty decent, she actually have a healing when she do her ultimate, which is 950% attack necrotic damage, stealing 30% of their ultimate energy and healing the hero by 475% attack. This is huge amount of healing, and definitely this hero can be one-man army. She can provide healing for her, and also she's doing pretty decent amount of damage. So huge thumbs up for the ultimate before we jump in the arena. The other thing that is very nice, but mostly is at the end stage, but still can actually turn a battle in the arena, and this is the bloodthirst. And this is every time the enemy dies, grants a recovery over time to all allies for 10 seconds. I think it's every second the tick of this healing. So yeah, I think this pretty decent recovery over time. Is not show, the game don't show how much is this. I guess maybe it's percentage, maybe I really don't know the recovery over time on what type of status, damage, whatever is based. And of course the two skill is actually terminating tormentation, what the battle skill, and charge toward the enemy with the lowest HP, dealing 420% attack necrotic damage with 75% chance to attack to inflict attack penalty for 5 seconds. And this is 50% reducing the damage. This huge amount of damage, and there is a big chance at the end, at the start of the battle, Questa actually to jump behind on the archers, maybe on the healers, just because this type of units actually have the lowest HP. The tanks on front is going to have huge amount of HP. So yeah, let's actually test this hero in the Grand Arena. Is she actually that good that the people actually talk about? First of all, let's pick somebody. This is 96, I'm level 90, so we're going to look somebody with level 90. Okay, level 91, that means he have extra items. Here we go, we have level 90 with 1360. I'm going to challenge that, and we're going to select a captain. Currently we have increased all allies maximum HP from the Horus, and I think this is pretty nice one, but we're looking to actually make huge amount of damage. Also Sigrid have accuracy aura. Both these two heroes, by the way, Sigrid and Horus is very nice heroes, but we're looking for some extra attack. So in my case, I'm going to position her here. She may jump on the Horus, but at the same time she may go for this one. I'm not quite sure. So actually let's test that. Let's see what is going to happen. Horus against Horus. Oh, she actually jumped on the Horus. Yeah, this is totally normal. Everybody's going on the tanks. Why my hero is on the frost? Definitely I have to change my hero. Right now she's going to get huge amount of damage, and this is definitely not good. But still, did you see my secret? This healing prohibition 100% definitely save the healing from coming from the Hixandra. I think that was her name. Yeah, but she's already dead before I even pointed her. Okay, she's dead, but definitely my hero should be on fire. 80,000. Oh my god, Sigrid is destroying everybody. What kind of damage you actually have? Okay, the best damage actually come from my top epic, and this is Foresh, but still we're going to make one more arena against maybe this guy. Okay, he's level 97. Wow, guys, I mean, if somebody is over level 90, if somebody's over level 70, that means they actually have an extra spot. Just to mention that when people is making their attacks, or maybe when they're picking the hero that they're going to fight with, when your hero hit level 70, you're going to have some extra stuffs. And I think this open on level 90, this sword here, or maybe the artifact, is basically opening a sword, and this sword you can actually put something very, very strong. Currently I'm going to change my elemental of my main hero to fire, and I'm going to actually put something here. On every change here you have to put something here. Critical damage, accuracy, blah blah blah. Attack accuracy, crit damage. We're going to go, I think, with attack speed. I think we can go with this one. I'm going to equip that. So yeah, one of these swords is opening, and if you have one diamond like this, look at how many status is bringing. That's why when you're level 70, try to fight with other people level 70, just to be fair, because if it's their level 76, there's a big chance other hero there to be also level 76. Okay, we're going to challenge. I'm not so sure, can we actually put something right now? Okay, but this one, maybe all my heroes is actually level. Okay, maybe we can change like this. This one is level 70. Okay, we can actually put something here. Okay, this is something specific, and all the swords is actually open, even though this hero is level 70, so it should not have artifact of this room. So yeah, my mistake. With 2 words you can definitely put whatever you want there. So yeah, if they're level 91, this is even more no go, just because it's going to open all the swords for all the heroes. If it's level 91, that means he's going to have the wasp sword open and for all of his heroes, and this is not good. Like at the moment it's level 97, and I can guarantee they're going to crush me, and by crush me I mean crush me very, very hard, I think. Definitely, it should happen something like this, but so far we're crushing them. That's very, very surprising. Okay, they have some shield, that's totally fine, but my Sigrid, brother, my Sigrid is doing huge amount of damage. We're going to win that. This is very surprising. Mostly we should not actually win, but yeah, let's see the DPS. My main hero is on top, Sigrid is second, and Voresh is on third place at the moment. But Sigrid and Voresh are very close fight, and they are helping themselves. This is absolutely great synergy, just because Voresh can apply a lot of buffs with this spell that is hitting all the enemies around the map, and the Sigrid is going to hit all the enemies that is having the buff, and this creates absolutely perfect synergy between these two heroes. So I'm going to also kill this one, and what I should actually do I forgot something? I think no. Yeah, my hero is on fire, so yeah, we can just go for it and see the Questa. Currently she's not doing, we're hitting the tank, but she have to jump at some point to somebody. Up, she jump on this guy here, and the enemy one is jumping on my main hero. This is, yeah, very, very important actually to be known that there is a hero that's going to charge on your heroes that is on back. And as you know, the heroes on back like archers, mage, healers, your main hero is going to be a heroes that is going to have less. Look at this, 350 healing over time. I really don't know how this healing over time is based, but 350 is huge amount of healing. So definitely, in my opinion, I think Questa is one of the best heroes, if not the best hero right now, as a support, as a aura, as a damage. So yeah, this is level 100. We're not looking for this 191. So yeah, so far that was my test. I just wanted to see how good she is, and this 30% definitely boost. For example, my Sigrid damage, her ultimate is going crazy, like 20,000 damage per arrow, and if the Voresh hit before her, she can actually hit 5 targets. This is huge amount of damage. 50% attack penalty for 10 seconds. Where is she? Yeah, 50% attack penalty for 10 seconds, and healing prohibition, which is 100% for 10 seconds. Very great hero. So yeah, I guess this will be for this video, guys. I just wanted to test Questa, even though I actually tested, but I didn't actually go so much in details about this hero. And yeah, definitely she's one of the best heroes for the arena from the epic one. It's not just because of the aura, 30% is huge amount of boost, but also her spells, and especially this healing over time, 3500 per second. This is huge amount of healing. So yeah, I guess this will be for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, hit one like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.